How do you check if electronic stability control is working? Have you ever wondered how to ensure that your truck's electronic stability control is functioning properly? This safety feature is vital for maintaining control, especially in larger vehicles like trucks and 18-wheelers. Let's break down how you can check if this system is working as it should. First, let's understand what electronic stability control does. This system monitors the speed of each wheel, the angle of the steering wheel, and the overall movement of the vehicle. If it detects that the truck is not responding correctly to steering inputs, like skidding or sliding, it can automatically apply brakes to individual wheels and adjust engine power to help regain control. One of the simplest ways to check if the electronic stability control is operational is to observe the dashboard warning light. When you start your truck, the electronic stability control light should briefly illuminate and then turn off. If the light remains on or starts flashing while you are driving, this usually indicates a problem with the system. For a more hands-on approach, some truck operators perform a maneuver known as a fishhook or swerve test. However, this should only be done in a safe, controlled environment by trained professionals. During this test, the driver sharply steers to one side and then quickly back to the other. If the electronic stability control is working correctly, it should help keep the truck stable and prevent excessive skidding or rolling over. Regular maintenance is also key to ensuring that the electronic stability control remains reliable. This includes checking wheel speed sensors, steering angle sensors, and brake fluid levels. If any of these components are faulty, or if the brake fluid is low, it can lead to malfunctions in the electronic stability control system. If you notice any warning lights, or if the truck behaves unusually during sharp turns or on slippery surfaces, it is essential to have the system inspected by a qualified technician. To summarize, always keep an eye on the electronic stability control warning light. If it behaves normally when starting the truck and does not stay illuminated, the system is likely functioning well. If you notice any unusual handling, or if the light remains lit, have the system checked immediately. Regular sensor checks and brake system maintenance are important to ensure that electronic stability control is ready to assist when you need it most. Remember, this system works quietly in the background, always monitoring to help prevent loss of control, which is especially important for the safety of large trucks and 18-wheelers.